When performing the frog stretch, you want to make sure that both your knees and your feet are wide to increase the internal rotation in the hips. This is going to be a more effective stretch, mimicking squats and functional movements than when you keep your feet narrow. When looking at it from the side, to increase the stretch in the front of your hips, you're going to want to sit your hips back towards your feet. Next, we're going to look at the Fragan, another stretch to increase hip internal rotation and also get an inner thigh or adductor stretch. So you're going to go in a half kneeling position, wide, and open up the front knee. Lean straight forward. You should feel a stretch on your inner thigh on the leg that is up and a stretch in your hip on the leg that you are kneeling on. Again, we'll switch and we'll do the other side. So in a half kneeling position, knee wide, foot is opened up, and then lean forward to increase the stretch. On this side, you're going to be looking for a stretch on the inner thigh on the right leg, so the knee that is up, and a stretch in the hip on the knee that is down. Finally, we're going to look at the seated straddle. You want to get your feet as wide as possible and then lean forward. You should feel a stretch in your inner thigh and possibly a stretch in your hip. If you look at it from the side, when I don't use a pillow, I get an increase rounding in my lower back. With setting my hips up on a pillow, my back maintains a more neutral position and I can get an increased stretch in my hips.